video. It's about time that I welcomed you guys to today's vlog. I hope you guys are doing well. I hope you guys are doing great. Happy New Year to each and every one of you. So in today's video, as you can see, I am in a client's house. She reached out to me and she told me she needed floating shelves in her living room. She wanted to do everything on a small budget. So this is what we did. We took the measurements of the TV area and then I sent them over to Paul. I'm going to be pinning Paul's contacts in the video. Paul is not a woodwork fundi, but he does really nice floating shelves. He's the same guy who did the floating shelves in a previous video that I did a pantry makeover in. So we're going to be doing floating shelves and a floating TV cabinet. The client sent over a design of the photo, a photo or design of the kind of floating TV stand that she wanted, and I sent it over to Paul and he pulled it off. So we're about to mount everything and then put just a few decor items. And yeah, I think we'll be done with this project in a few minutes. It was a simple project. She was doing everything on a budget and she reached out to me and I decided, why not? Let me take up the challenge and hope you enjoy the rest of the video.
More than twice, same song, but brand new dance. I wear out my third second chance. You take my breath and I can't get it back. Might be time for me to face the facts. The best me is with you, but I know I got a lot to prove. They think we're too damaged to fix, but we're just working through a little rust. They like to say we're just young, but I know we won't give this up. Sometimes I lose my mind, and some days it's hard to find the reason why you stay by my side. You and I break our hearts open in half just to see if we'll put them back. No matter what they try, I'll stay by your side.
So I'm going to be pinning Paul's number in the video and in the description box as well in case you miss it. So if you want to refer or maybe you need floating shelves, you can contact him and he's going to pull off an amazing job, definitely. So everything we did here was on a budget. We did very light and simple decor. We didn't put anything on the TV stand because the client has small children. I think we're going to be doing that maybe in the future, or she'll be doing that by herself. So we are just putting a few decor items on the floating shelves and we're doing nothing on the TV stand.
It's you and
Hi guys, so we are in another client's house. So today we are doing decluttering and organizing. So in case you didn't know that I also do decluttering and organizing, yes, so now you know. So my client just flew in from abroad. We are going to be unpacking, I think, around 9 suitcases and organizing and decluttering. So I had a helping hand, and we're going to be doing this real quick. Let me show you the other items. We have more suitcases upstairs, as you can see. So we're going to be unpacking, organizing, decluttering. She just brought in everything when she came in, so we're going to be arranging everything in like 2 or 3 closets, including her fiance's outfits. So if you need any of my services, be sure to hit me up via Instagram, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Link is up here in the video or down in the description box as well. Or if you need any of my services, you can DM me, or you can also send me an email. All those details are down in the description box below, so make sure to reach out and contact me if you need any of my services.
You break the line, I'm falling for you. You're stuck in my mind, just all the time. I'm falling for you. And tell me your secrets. I will tell you my secrets. We are different colors, but I like it. Why, baby? Do you look so pretty and you smile, my, baby? I'm almost breathing, tell me why, baby? Do you look so pretty and you smile, my, why, baby? Do you look so pretty and you smile, my, baby? I'm almost breathing, tell me why, baby? Do you look so pretty and you smile, so pretty and you smile, my, baby. I'm almost breathing, tell me why, baby. Do you look so pretty?
So we are all done, all done. We have arranged all the shoes, we have arranged all the clothes, we have decluttered and organized everything in the closets and in the wardrobes. So let me show you the arrangement. So this is where all the short dresses are, and we kind of arrange them in colors, like from brightest to darkest, as you can see the color coordination. Yeah, so these are all the short dresses over here, and then on the next cabinet we have, let me open it and show you guys. On this next cabinet at the top we have all the tops and the tees at the top, and at the bottom we have all the bottoms if that makes any sense. So at the bottom we have all the bottoms, pants, skirts and shorts. So in the other closet upstairs is where I put all the sweaters and trench coats and bags. So as you can see here, we have all here we have the long trench coats over here and the belts on the hanger at the side. And then down there we have her big bags. She doesn't have a lot of bags, so we have the big bags over there, and then we have the sling bags and clutch bags over here, and a few perfumes as well. So on this other drawer or cabinet we have the jackets and the official coats and scarves at the top. I put all the scarves at the top, and down here we have all the sweater tops. So she needed everything arranged separately and differently. And then over here we didn't have much, just the her hats at the top and Marvin's at the top there, as you can see. So my client is very specific. She wants things arranged in a particular order, and that's what we did. So down here we have in the drawer we have all her gym outfits, and here we have all her innerwears. So I think that's it for this room. Let's go and check out the other closet. And over here we have all her fiance's outfits. So at the top we have the shirts, and down here we have the pants. So the space was quite minimal, so the space hapo juu ni kidogo, so I had to push the shirts at the back. The client agreed to that. And here we have all the perfumes and all her fiance's coats and jackets, as you can see there. So I think we're all done. Oh, and over down here we have all the towels. Here we put all the hand towels, face towels and bathing towels. And at the bottom drawer we have all the extra bed sheets and pillowcases. On this drawer we have vests and tees, and over here we have more innerwears, and down below we have belts and socks. So we are done, all done for today, guys. Thank you for watching.